Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Pulls the Race Card After Trying to Stab Cashier.
Are you threatening to kill me, officer?
Right.
Are you threatening to kill me?
Listen, put your hands
Are you
behind
threatening to kill me? You're gonna kill me like you did Floyd?
Go ahead, guys. Pat her down.
Like you did Floyd? Are you gonna kill me like you did Floyd? Get me up off the ground.
She threatens to stab a teen cashier when caught trying to steal from a CVS. After officers locate her a few blocks over, she victimizes herself and refuses to accept any consequences for her actions. Officers in Haddonfield confronted the suspect last October after receiving a 911 call from the cashier.
Yo, what's going on, man? Hey, how you doing? How you doing today? Well?
Same thing as every other day.
Okay. Just asking how.
What's up?
Just asking how you're doing today. Been sitting here for a while.
Here and there, being harassed like usual, just moving around.
Okay. Did you recently walk anywhere within the last couple minutes?
To get snacks at the CVS.
Okay.
Starbucks.
Okay. You have any weapons on you? Do you mind if I pat you down, double check?
You have a female officer?
What's that?
You have a female officer?
I'm sure we could get one out here for you.
Why do you need to check me?
Because there was a report with somebody matching your description that was armed with a knife. Did you have a knife out recently? Don't go in your pocket. Don't reach in there. Don't reach in there. Don't reach in there. I'm telling you right now.
It's a pocket knife. Are you threatening to kill me, officer?
Right.
Are you threatening to kill me?
Listen, put your hands
Are
behind
you
your back.
threatening to kill me?
No. Just relax. Right now you're just... I know. You're just being detained.
You're just being
No, you don't. We're allowed to search. Take it out.
You guys good?
Yeah, do your thing.
They know you're first. Let me put this Stop texting me.
Relax.
You're under federal investigation.
Okay, that's great.
Do you have anything else on you other than that knife?
Federal investigation.
Back away from me.
Federal investigation.
Back away from me.
You're corrupt.
Do you have any other weapons on you?
No, I don't. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Listen, I'm searching you for weapons.
Get out of my face.
You're in mine. You're the one touching me.
No, you're the one that's getting into my face.
Just like lighters and stuff in there. Relax. Relax or I'm going to sit you down. I don't want to do that. What are you doing? Relax. Relax.
You're under federal investigation.
Okay.
You shouldn't even be touching me.
I totally understand. Relax. Relax.
I'm not hype.
Why are you fidgeting around then? Just relax. Just sit still. She's got the pocket knife on her. I pulled it off of her.
Okay.
She's 67.
Federal investigation.
Say anything to you guys?
Nah, just that went under federal investigation.
Yeah, victim indicates 100%.
She said she was walking around. Obviously, she was just ID'd, so.
Yeah, they had
Get all my items too.
We'll grab it.
We're gonna grab all your stuff before you get in that car. You're not getting in that car yet. You're not getting in that car yet. Do a good search of her. She's got a ton of stuff on her.
Don't take anything.
Listen, it's all being inventoried. You'll get it back once
You're a
you've released.
fucking liar. You guys steal all the time.
That's okay. We're a video camera, so you'll be good.
Yeah, don't edit it, bitch.
I'm gonna open up one of these bags so I can start throwing this stuff in there. She's not going in that car with anything in her pockets.
I don't have. The knife was it, sir.
Doesn't matter. You're under arrest. Now you're being searched.
No, I'm not under arrest.
Yeah, you are.
I'm under a federal investigation. Watch how it overturns. Watch how it overturns. You don't have to take my wallet, sir. Like I said, you'll see how it overturns.
41 to 45. You know, I mean, the victim.
Don't grip me hard.
I'm not gripping you hard. It's called a search.
Yes, you are. You don't have to do that. You're under federal investigation.
Okay.
I'm telling you, you're about to get fucked up.
You
Why?
told me about 500 times already.
No, stop.
Would you relax? That's something sharp. No, it's just glasses.
Nope, time to get you
Now we're
together.
gonna sit still for this search.
You're gonna kill me like you did.
No, you're gonna sit very still while we search
You're
you.
gonna kill me like you did Floyd?
Go ahead, guys. Pat her
Kill me
down.
like you did Floyd? Are you gonna kill me like you did Floyd? Get me up off the ground. Are you gonna kill me like you did
We're
Floyd?
just trying to search you.
If I say I can't breathe, you have to move me.
If you can talk, you can breathe.
Yeah, that's what he said Floyd, and he killed it.
see any pockets, back pockets or anything?
I got the pants pretty good. When you're comfortable, I'll help you lift her up. When you're comfortable with the search. It's your car.
You officers not to be arrested.
Tell me. You ready? Yeah. Legs are being released.
Stand up. Nah, you won't put her in.
People don't understand how much patience it takes to deal with somebody like that. That's purposely, you know, making their body go limp and all of the, like, playing the games or whatever. A lot of people will lose their shit. You know what I mean? Especially when you know that they're BSing, you know? And some officers do end up losing their shit. And, you know, they get in trouble for it and stuff. But you just got to take a deep breath and just, whew, let's get through this arrest, man. And then don't let it be one of those days where you got one of these people and then the next 3 calls is people that's doing the same stuff, man. It's like, man.
Right, so how did we get that?
You tell me.
Don't argue with her. You're under arrest for possession of a weapon with unlawful purpose and criminal mischief. That's what you're being charged. That's what you're being charged with. You will be put in the car, and we're not going to argue about it. That's your charges.
For what though? I can't carry a knife.
You'll get a copy of the report.
Who says I can't?
You'll get a copy of the report when it's done.
Who says what legal says I can't?
No, it's the way you utilize the knife by
Being
damaging
harassed. I have
property.
the right to self-defense.
Okay, have a seat. Gotta search the stuff now, contemporaneous to the stop, or else you lose everything. So search it now.
Where's the knife?
It's in my pocket.
These were her keys, right? This doesn't fall off you guys?
No, it's mine.
Oh, that's yours?
Yep. Unless she wants that Dodge Durango. Anything that he's done with, I'm just throwing in here. She's homeless. I'm sure if you run her name in RMS, she's in there. She's gotta be.
What was that?
Yeah, if anyone knows who Charlton does.
Is this her wallet?
Yeah, it's hers. She, when I made contact with her, I just asked, have you been walking around at all or been around? She's like, yeah, I've been back and forth. And I said, do you have any knives on you? And then she went to go pull it out of her pocket. And I said, nah, don't pull it out of your pocket. And then I told her to stand up, and then she wanted to resist a little bit, just passively. We just handcuffed her, but then once we got the knife and you gave the positive ID, and we told her she was under arrest and started to do a thorough search, we put her in there, she started kicking and flailing around. We had to take her down to the ground. Nothing crazy, just she was kicking her feet, so I had to grab her legs and hold her legs down while they continued to pat her down. I want to make sure she had any other knives on before she went in the car. But she's total mental health issues, so she probably just stood up, walked over for an unknown reason, stat like.
Yeah. Is it like a work vehicle or is it just?
Yeah, is it an Ecolab truck?
Yeah, she's not. She's got mental health issues.
Good luck.
You guys need anyone at your place? You got enough guys? Okay. Yep.
The suspect was charged with battery of an officer, obstructing justice, and aggravated menacing. Let us know your thoughts on this video in the comments.
Yeah. Simple video. I wouldn't even be able to tell that was a girl. I ain't even gonna lie, like, oh man. But anyway, this is just regular video, man. She's just running around homeless, being a nuisance. Whatever. Go to jail for a couple of hours or whatever the case may be. Well, maybe even, yeah, probably a couple hours, whatever. Cause she'll get released. Anyway, cops get a 5. They did their part. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.